Welcome back, guys. We're going to keep switching it up, moving back to the molten chocolate. People like to see some of these videos because it's a very underrated flavor. In my opinion, one of the darker or richer chocolate flavors on the market. Cellucor did a great job. So let's give you a nice quick recipe to give it a shot, alright? I have a coffee mug over here because we're going to be making a quick muffin recipe. The only thing is we're going to be using a generic muffin recipe, but putting a little bit of a filling in it, and we're going to use a jam filling, which I have right here. So, what do I have dry-wise and wet-wise? Real simple. 20 grams of the molten chocolate core performance whey, 8 grams sugar-free, fat-free pudding mix, 25 grams complete pancake mix. You could use oat flour, it may come out a little drier, so I would always suggest maybe a pancake mix or a flour mixture. Okay, just a touch of the baking powder, around 3 grams, 10 grams of the PB Lean, myoatmeal.com, German chocolate cake flavor, absolutely fantastic. Like I said, check it out, the link will be in the comment box below. 3 grams of Splenda for a little bit of flavoring. That's our dry. Wet ingredient wise, I already have my magic bullet, which we're going to use, around 1/8 of a cup of milk, so it's about 25-30 grams, not much. We're going to use 1 whole egg, which I'm going to crack right here. Okay? And what we're going to do, take our wet, combine our dry, which you're going to see right now. This may get a little ugly because it's in a bowl, so I'm going to try and hold on for the best. Okay? And all I'm going to do is let this rip in the magic bullet for about a minute or so. Let it dissolve. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our filling here, or our batter, we're going to spray down our coffee mug, fill it halfway with the batter, put the jam filling, top it off, microwave it. We'll show you the final product. Okay, so we're all mixed up. Take our mug, take our cooking spray, and just coat it down. Alright, real simple. We're going to take our mixture, pour it about halfway in, as so. Okay? Take our jam filling. Put it right in the middle there. As you can see, I only use 20 grams. You know, just enough to really coat it. Give it a nice filling. Okay? And make sure we use the rest of our filling here to cover up what we got. Okay? Use a spatula, get the rest out. Okay? I'm going to get the majority of it here. And guys, real simple. We're just going to microwave this. I suggest a medium power always, because if you use a high power, it may overflow when it is in the baking process or cooking process. So therefore, I would suggest maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes on a medium power, and we'll go from there. It should be a little bit harder on the outside. That's when you know it's getting close to done. Let's toss it in the microwave. We'll come right back. Okay, guys, this is what it should look like when it's done. You should be able to poke the outside. You can see how it's a little hard, still a little gooey, as you can see the texture right there. But that's fine, because now you saw what it looked like, so we're just going to poke the outside and give it a little flip. You ready? Boom. Now look at that, guys. You can even see the jelly literally coming right out of the mixture, which is great, because when we cut right into this, you know, we're going to get that nice jelly filling to go along with our molten chocolate whey little mug cake that we got here, little muffin if you want to call it that. Guys, real simple, real easy. Like I said, this actually took around 3.5 to 4 minutes in the microwave, not 1 to 2. So I'll make sure I write that in the detailed write-up for you in the comment box below. Ingredients, macros, this comes out to around 300 calories, around 40 grams of protein, I think 35 or 40 grams of protein, around 35 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Okay, guys? Final product. Hope you guys enjoy them. We will see you at the Arnold Classic at the end of next month.